In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Spotify Desktop Astro. Before we begin, it's important to clear up one thing so you don't waste time looking for the wrong feature. Spotify does not currently have an official desktop feature or app called Astro. In many cases, when people search for Spotify Desktop Astro, they're usually referring to something similar, like Spotify's AI DJ, lyrics and visual style features, a custom theme or mod, or possibly an experimental feature they heard about online. In this tutorial, I'll show you the safest official option that most closely matches what people are usually looking for. To get started, open Spotify on your desktop computer. If you prefer, you can also use the mobile app, since this feature may be easier to find there depending on your account and region. Once Spotify is open, sign into your account and make sure everything is loaded properly. If you're already logged in, you're ready for the next part. Now go to the search section. On desktop, click into the search bar. On mobile, tap search at the bottom and then tap the search field. In the search box, type DJ. Keep it simple and enter just those two letters so Spotify can show the most relevant result. When the results appear, look for DJ, which may also be labeled as AI DJ by Spotify. This is the official feature that comes closest to the personalized, intelligent music experience many users are expecting when they search for Astro. Once you find it, click or tap on it to open the page. From there, select play to start the feature. Spotify's AI DJ will begin creating a listening session for you automatically. It can choose songs for you, add short voice commentary between tracks, and mix your music in a more guided, personalized way. That's why this is the closest real and official match to what many people mean by Spotify Desktop Astro. If you don't see DJ right away, keep in mind that Spotify features can vary based on your subscription type, device, app version, and region. A good tip is to make sure your Spotify app is fully updated before searching. Also, if the feature doesn't appear on desktop, try checking on mobile using the same account. The most important thing is to stick with Spotify's official features rather than downloading unofficial themes or modified apps, since those can be unreliable or unsafe. And that's it. If you were trying to get Spotify Desktop Astro, the safest and most realistic option is to use Spotify AI DJ through the official app.